Hello everyone, I have a new video here. I just saw these on the shelf, and normally we cook things or we talk about fine ingredients, and yet here we have a pack of red vines, which obviously is different than any pack of red vines. I am a sucker for Redvines red licorice, and so when I saw this, it's made with real sugar instead of corn syrup, and it's non-GMO. For those of you, I do care about not eating GMO products, and if I can enjoy a pack of red vines without eating garbage, I would prefer that. So let's take a look at this. Now these are called mixed berry twists, and they're a slightly lighter color than the traditional red vines. They do smell quite nice. They smell very similar to a red vine. They have a similar elasticity. And I'm nervous. I want to enjoy these as much as I do regular red vines. I really want these to be good. And so we're going to do a little taste test here. Link in the description below. I picked these up at Walmart, but if you want to order them online, I do get a little bit of whatever you buy if you use the link in the description below. So let's go ahead and try these out. Alright. It's it. These are spot on. Same flavor. Wow. This is... Now I've got some little artifacts here and little black bits in my red vines. That's weird, but tastes fantastic. Zero complaints. Just the color is a little bit different, but it feels more natural. I bet this is the way it was back when they were made first. Awesome. They're just a few cents more than the other ones. There's a bit of a different aftertaste. That's okay. Ingredients: cane sugar, wheat, flour, radish extract. So instead of just using color. Citric acid, natural berry flavor with other natural flavors. So, and it's made non-GMO. I really hope that Redvines continues making these. I have a feeling that they might, but part of the reason why I did this video, if they were good, I wanted to tell you if they were good or not, which they are. Now, they're not healthy. Don't be fooled. But they are good. They are made out of better ingredients. And so if you like red vines as much as I do, and you care about what you're eating, to the extent that you can care when you're eating candy, go out and support red vines by picking up a pack of these. Now I'd like to see black licorice made simple. I did not see that in the in Walmart, but this is a start. So red vines, if you are watching, thank you very much. This is delicious. Please keep making this. I will keep buying them. If you want more videos that have to do with good food and tips in the kitchen, reviews of appliances, all of that stuff, won't you please subscribe? Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Let me know what your favorite brand of licorice is, or flavor. There's another one. I'll put a link in the description below to that one. Not made by Redvines, but it is a mango flavored licorice from Australia, and it is marvelous. Thank you for watching. Have a good day and enjoy some red vines. Delicious.